my name is Peter Kwestro. I'm from Gausium Robotics. I'm very happy to talk to you here. And we have some very, very big news. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. Here at the show, the ISS show, we will introduce something that is beyond what you have seen today about chemicals. Actually, what we did is we eliminated plastic bottles and we eliminated PVA. That's the stuff, the polymer that's inside pots and sheets like that. And we have now an introduction of a product that you can use in robotics, but of course you can also use it in other machines. We especially designed it for robotics, that you don't have to send water from one place to another. So it's totally dry and it's 100% biodegradable, and you never have to worry about PVA residue staying in our waterways or staying in the environment, or so it will be gone because the base is on a vegetable base.